Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save a Word document to OneDrive so you can access it from anywhere. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open any Microsoft Word file on your computer. This could be a document you're currently working on or one you've already created. Once your Word document opens and you can see your content on the screen, you're ready to begin the process of saving it to OneDrive. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see the File tab there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the File menu, which gives you access to various document management options, including saving, sharing, and printing. From the File menu that appears, hover your cursor over the option that says Save As. When you hover over this option, the menu will expand further to reveal additional saving locations and options. This is where you'll choose exactly where you want your document to be stored. In the expanded Save As menu, you'll notice different storage locations available. Look for the section labeled Personal, which represents your OneDrive storage. Click on this Personal section to select OneDrive as your save location. By choosing OneDrive, you're ensuring that your Word document will be stored in the cloud rather than just on your local computer. This means you can access this file from any device with an internet connection, whether you're using your phone, tablet, or another computer. It's incredibly convenient for working on documents across multiple devices or sharing your work with others. And that's it. Your Word document is now saved to OneDrive, making it accessible from anywhere you have an internet connection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.